2025 is coming to an end. So this is one opportunity that we should be taking towards the end of year, that we have to reflect back on what our life is, what did we achieve, and how did it go. So today we are going to experience something called as Wheel of Life meditation. And then we will be needing bay leaf, we'll be needing green pen, black pen. So we are going to do we are going to break this session into three parts. The first part will be Wheel of Life activity. Then we are going to help you release all your unhealthy patterns. We will revive everything and we will rebuild everything. In between, we'll also check the energy using tarot. It's a surprise. Whatever we get as a message from the divine, we are going to release all that for all the group who is present today. So I would hand it over to Usha and she will take us further with the Wheel of Life activity.
Thank you, Vasudha.
Over to you, Usha.
Yeah. Thank you, Vasudha. Hello, Neelam. Hello, Janvi. Hello, Shriram. Hello, Lavanya. Hello, Menaka. Neelam, Prachi,
Hi, ma'am.
Yukanta,
Hi, ma'am.
Amreen. Thanks for joining today. So it's a warm welcome for today's 1212 portal. We will talk more about life as this whole year as going to end. It's the end of the month, right? But whenever we reflect and see how things are happening for us. So before we get into the activity, let's just, always when we are calm, we think better, right? और जब हरी बरी में रहते हैं तो लगता है ये भी करना है वो भी करना है आई थिंक द होल डे आप लोग कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे होंगे so let's do little grounding and then we will get into the session. So I will play a background music. If you can just let me know, you can hear the music and my voice together. If you all can come to camera, that will be more effective for us to do meditation and rituals, because we are exchanging energy in the small special group. So we are chosen one to release things today. That's the reason we could all come together. I'll just share the music and then we can I want you all to just sit in a relaxing position. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my music? Can you hear me? Say yes or no with action. Can you hear me? No. Can you hear me now? Hope I am not.
Music is not flowing, ma'am.
म्यूजिक के साथ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है.
You can just play computer sound. Don't have to share the video and play the computer sound. Try that.
So how do I do it?
Just click on share, then go to advanced and share computer sound.
Can you hear the music now? मेरा वॉइस अब आ रहा है ना? Happy to see good faces. So I agree to see you. Okay. I want you to start from now. Wherever you will your hand, you can just relax.
कस केला का फोन
Sorry?
त्या
No, honestly. Okay. Touch the ground. Feel relaxed. Close your eyes. Roll your shoulder. Feel light. Okay, let the music be not there. Let me listen my voice alone. Okay. Close your eyes, touch the floor, roll your shoulder. In through your nose, take a deep breath and release with ha. One more time. Inhale and release ha. One last time. Inhale, deep breathe and say ha. Now close your eyes. Just observe your breath. Just observe the inhale and exhale normally. How it feel at peace. Close your eyes and just feel the silence around you. Now I would like you to visualize a golden white light on your top of your head. It is so bright that it is fully covered top of your head and you can feel it. The whole crown chakra, you can feel your light around it. And it's just sinking on your head. Just observe the feeling, the sensation. No need to fight any thoughts. No need to worry about anything what's going there. Just be in observation. Just observe that white light is flowing through your crown chakra on your head and sinking and falling on your face as like a moonlight. And you feel the tender of that light on your face. It's just making you feel calmer over your face, jawline, eyes. Just feel this light. Whatever sensation you're feeling, just absorb them. No need to analyze them. Just feel there. Now the light is flowing to your throat chakra, to your neck. Feel that light slowly going on your neck. Slowly, this light is moving to your shoulder, through your arm, and it's just flowing as you see golden white light moving from shoulder to your right and left hand. Any pressure, any fear you're holding on your shoulder, just relax them. Now feel this light moving to your chest, to your abdomen, to your pelvis, to your left and right thighs. Is just moving smoothly. Observe your body sensation and just let it flow. The light is now moved to your feet and you feel still and calm. Just one last time, scan your body from top to bottom, from your head to your forehead, to your face, to your shoulder, to your chest, to your abdomen, to your pelvis, to your thighs, to your calf muscle, to your feet. Take a moment, and whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. People all honor off camera. Whenever you're ready, you can just share thumbs up or something. Okay. So welcome all for today's 1212 Magical Portal. So I'm sure Instagram, सोशल मीडिया में हमने बहुत सुना है 1212 पोर्टल के बारे में. So what are your thoughts before we go into this deeper? Just whatever you think about 1212 portal, just you can share in the chat box. As per you, what is 1212 portal? You can even unmute yourself and share, or you can share in the chat quickly. Releasing
I've
all.
allowed the unmute for all of you, so you can unmute and speak.
Thank you, Amreen, for sharing, releasing all negativities. Okay. What about Neelam, Menaka, Janvi, Lavanya, Sriram, Neelima, Yugendra, Atre, Ramanath, and Sheetal? Last month of the year and high energy level. Okay. A gateway of new beginning, 12/12/2024 marks, set goal, releasing new beginning. Absolutely. Thank you for sharing because a lot of information is rolling around in Instagram and the practices we do. Last portal of the year, intention setting of the new year 2026. Thank you, Sriram, for sharing. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll talk about few myths about 12/12 portal and then we see exactly what is 12/12 portals. Most of you have shared few things. So let's see, is that the part of them? You can all see my screen, right? You all can see my screen, right? Okay. So let's get into the session. So we have done grounding. So I'll share few myths about portals because each month there is one another portal and it's all aligned to angel numbers, numerologically, and a lot of things are there. Let me just arrange this. Okay. So first thing we think 12/12 में एक दिन में magic हो जाएगा. Everybody think कि आज कर लो सब कुछ तो सब हो जाएगा. So magic will happen in one day. That is something a myth people have whenever then a portal comes in. सेकेंड मिथ है मिस एग्जैक्ट टाइमिंग. अभी हम लोग क्या है 9 o'clock 9:30 पे कर रहे हैं. बोलते हैं 11, लाइक इफ यू स्क्रॉल योर इंस्टाग्राम मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल से 11-11 बजे करो या 12-12 बजे करो तभी चीजें होंगी. इफ यू हैव दैट एग्जैक्ट टाइम देन ओनली थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू हैपन. हैवी रिचुअल्स की बहुत सारा मतलब मंत्र करो या बहुत सारे रिचुअल्स करो तभी चीजें हमारे थिंग्स विल हैपन. पॉजिटिव थॉट्स ओनली. As Amreen, Dr. Amreen said here, he release negativity. So, is it only positive thoughts we have to think about it, or there is a mix of positive and negative? Instant gratification कि भाई आज हमने मांग लिया मैं कल वो चीज मिल जाएगी. So when this portal comes, people are following law of attraction and everything, and they are practicing so much and believing that it all happens with magic. But the actual meaning of 12/12 portal is a reset button for your emotional and energetic. So until your action is not aligning to your energy, the manifestation or any ritual you will do will not help you what you're trying to achieve. So someone asked, is it numerological aligned? Yes. So 12/12 is as per numerology, it is completing old patterns and welcoming a new cycle. When somebody said it is year end and we need to do the goals, yes, collectively any part of the country people think, oh, this is year end, now next year क्या होना है उस पे हम फोकस करते हैं. तो collectively there is an energy created where everybody want a change. Manifestation window. And why manifestation window is high in this period? Because a quantum shift happened during this energy. The energy levels are very high during this time. And day of letting go and reviving. So when it comes to psychologically wise, we have so much emotion, traumas inside us, when we try to release them, then you bring new energy in it. So collectively, if we see any portal for that matter, gives you high vibration, but this being the year end, a last nudge on you कि अब तो कर लो, this is the year ending. होता है ना कि everybody make new year resolution. Now let's take that step in which area of our life we want to reset that button, because 100 things are there around us, but what is our priority is what we need to start thinking. For that, we will move to the next activity, as our theme is Wheel of Life. I want you to grab your paper and pen. Whenever you're ready with your paper and pen, I want you to draw a circle. You can draw a circle, a big circle.
In pen में
हाँ, पेन पेंसिल जो है आपके पास उससे बना सकते
बाबा पेंसिल दे बाबा.
So something like this, what I'm sharing in the screen, if you can see, just draw a circle and then make a 10 part of it. I will just show, I will also draw and tell you how it is. So you can make a circle like this and then cross one cross ऐसा और एक क्रॉस ऐसा. ये आपका सर्कल रेडी हो जाएगा. Are you done? Can we move to next step? Okay. Now center line में draw lines, small lines, 10 lines draw कीजिए, जो 1 to 10, ठीक है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, जितना मतलब little you can have space. And number them like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. आपने ये एरिया लिखा है रिलेशनशिप, करियर, हेल्थ, कंट्रीब्यूशन, फाइनेंस, जैसा पिक्चर में वो बना लीजिए. यू कैन राइट अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म लाइक आर, रिलेशनशिप के लिए सी, करियर के लिए लिख लीजिए जैसा कंफर्टेबल है, इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग फुल ऑल्सो. Once you have made that line, now let's say I want to rate my relationship, right? Now relationship could be whatever relationship is your priority. It's a romantic, it's with your children, with your whatever your priority is there. Usko 1 2 में rate कीजिए, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. So where do you feel you're happy or content with that? So let's say if I am at 9 or 10, I will mark that number. Okay, you can just circle like this, that alone. ये यहाँ पे फर्स्ट हाफ सर्कल हो जाएगा. ये 9 है मेरा, लेट्स से, और 8. नाउ पर्सनल ग्रोथ, लेट्स से आई एम एट 10, तो आई विल सर्कल क्लोजर टू द सर्कल. इफ इट इज लोअर देन यू विल क्लोज. सो आपने जहाँ पे मार्क किया वहां पे वो होगा. It will not be an equal circle mostly, so just see. Anyone want to show their circle?
Diksha ji, please share that circle once again.
Yeah, sure, Neelam. Once you're done, let me know, then we'll move to the next step. Just take a moment, each line you're triggering, what is your thought, and just mark it wherever you are at 1 or 10, based on whatever you see currently in your relationship, personal growth, spirituality, fun, leisure, finances, contribution to society, health, career. Anyone who has done would like to show? ओके नीलम जी, तो आपके कौन से सर्कल में हाईएस्ट है और कम है? यू कैन जस्ट शेयर, आई जस्ट स्टॉप शेयरिंग नाउ.
Yes, in relation, personal growth, spirituality, fun, ये सब है highest. And finance, हाँ,
क्या इतना नंबर डाला हाईएस्ट में, मतलब 9, 10, 8 क्या है?
9 to 8 है.
ठीक है, सबसे कम क्या है, कौन से एरिया?
सबसे कम करियर एंड हेल्थ में है.
ठीक है, सो दैट इज 2 एरियाज दैट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन.
Yes.
Okay, so like that, have you got a clarity? Janvi, do you want to share? I can, like, it's, you can tell, unmute yourself.
I said career is 2, rest seems to be like 3 and 5. I couldn't go above more than 5. I don't know. Probably 5 was stuck in my head.
Okay.
Yeah. Career is something which I'm working on right now.
Okay, good. Dr. Amreen, do you want to share? You need to unmute yourself.
Yes. So, highest, I think I have rated myself 8 out of 10 in fun and leisure,
Good.
and lowest is relationship 3.
Okay. What about you, Atira? See, now this activity, you can unmute Dr. Amreen. Now this activity has helped us to the areas where we are giving so much. Are we getting the rewards? Like Neelam shared, she's happy, relationships सब अच्छा चल रहा, तो she is good there. But the areas of health and career are something she has not focused because I don't know the reason, that we will find out. Okay. So this wheel of life gives you a wheel balance or disbalance. As Dr. Amreen is high on fun, but relationship में 3 है, तो ये balance नहीं है, right? A balanced number will give you in each area a happiness. So now what I will do, I am going to do a tarot spread of 3 spread card. One, whatever, pick one area of your life. So let's say Dr. Amreen is picking relationship. उसमें आपको क्या चीज रिलीज करनी है आज? What is that you want to see through? कि उस पे या वो अच्छी चीज है या बुरी चीज है, उसको किस तरह से देखना है? And what is coming to you in this particular area? So that is the guidance what we'll be taking collectively to for all of us. But individually आप लोग एक पिक एरिया के लीजिए, किस एरिया के लिए गाइडेंस लेना चाहते हो. It could be your career, health, finance, whichever area is the lowest, pick that area, because I think that's alarming for you now to do it. Because when I did my wheel of circle, I was ambitious, money, सब था मेरे पास, fun zero, leisure zero. So I was so much over giving in my work where I forget how to be happy. Sometime to, suppress our pain, we try to be more happy outside. So whenever you reflect on your wheel of life, it has to do with which area and why am I doing. It's not that I may enjoying the work, but sometimes I was covering that just to suppress the emotions I was having. है ना? So now let's do the tarot guidance. I want all of you to just focus on any one area of your life. Okay. So the release is stuckness. Wherever you're stuck in that particular area, कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए, आगे करूँ, नहीं करूँ, lot of questions come ना. करियर में मुझे ये स्टेप करना है, नहीं करना है, इससे क्या होगा. वी डोंट टेक दैट स्टेप एंड जस्ट उसी में लूप रह जा रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट टेकिंग द उस स्टकनेस को रिलीज करना है आज इस वॉट एवर एरिया यू हैव पिक्ड. What you need to see through is the clarity that there is new things are awaiting for you. Have that clarity and move forward. Okay. Now, what is coming for you is emotionally partnership. Okay, whether it's career, health, where you take care of your emotion, you are going to get what you want in your life. But only when you release stuckness, have clarity, then. Okay. So apply this for your area, whatever you have seen. Let me just see who has just shared my score. Sriram. I think it's still loading. Okay, very nice. So the area is finance. Okay. So finance में what is its stocking energy for you? What is that risk you're not taking? That something you will. So before we get into before we go to the next session, now up seriously session, so how did you like this activity? Would you like to share something before we move to the next section? Anything you like to share? Just unmute and share. What is you got as a realization and that you like to release it today? Anyone, anything?
In relationship, ma'am.
Menaka, what you want to release? Like,
Yeah, relationship में low है. So
So overall, is this activity helped you to look at your life today in very short time? So on that, do you like to share something? How did it made you feel? कि मुझे I felt it something.
nice activity, ma'am. Good activity.
Thank you, Menika. You want to say something, Janvi?
Yeah, it's really nice because we didn't know Wheel of Life, and I got to know the exact where am I facing challenges in my relationship career, which probably I would have never done this.
Mm.
But yes, it's quite amazing and quite good, and I need to work on this area. So I'll always remember this wheel of life.
Very
Amazing.
you, Janvi. हाँ नीलम, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
हाँ मैम, यही कह रही थी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल एक्टिविटी. Because of this, I come to know that where I have to exactly first focus. So health, other things are also important, but now first health I have to focus. Thank you.
हम्म ठीक है, हाँ हम उस पे बाद में डिटेल में बात करेंगे व्हाई हेल्थ इज द प्रॉब्लम नाउ. Okay, so before we move to rituals, which Vasudha will be carrying, there is now, this is a magic, and me and Vasudha coming doing through itself is a magic, because it's been an year we are working, but this year we thought let's start something together. So in this we are going to share something what we are launching as a monthly magic membership for tarot. Now, what happened in this, what benefit is there? I will just share that. Forget about the cost, forget about the price. Just see what it is there. If you are interested, just after what I share, you just type an S, okay? Because what is you going to get in this 1 year? It's not, month. Let me just move this. So, as you all know, Vasudha, she has been a business healer. She has 500 plus modality where she does expert in a occult science. I do some of my healing with her. Okay. I come from an HR and a psychology background, so I understand human brain, because when science and energy work together, you get faster result. That's the beauty what we both bring together. That's the reason we are launching this, because we both believe in helping people to achieve, because everybody has that potential. It's just that the stuckness is something we could not move either through energy blocks or through mental blocks. So now, to gain the early bird offer, obviously you have to stay to know the cost. Now, what you get 30 minutes one to one with Vasudha. Imagine if she can give you so much in the community, with lot of, sessions on spice magic and other things. Name it, she will tell you what to do exactly. So let's say when you have a step by step guidance every month, what you need to fix on that, it is going to help you to clear your roadblocks and move forward, whether it's your career, health, or relationship. Okay. Now, most of us, let's say, have relationship issue. Is wearing rose quartz will help us? No, because for me it is different. For Amreen is it different, and Janvi is different. So she customized that remedies for you as per your energy level, and mobile paper, which is going to help you to vibrate the energy. Now coming to me, I am a mostly work on relationship. So I work on, heart to heart conversation, which area of your life in the, because see, if relationship is sorted in your life, all areas are covered. You may be, you career ho jaye, kuch bhi ho jaye, because when or woman, when they just have something what they want, we all thrive, right? So exactly you get 30 minutes of mine, and 30 minutes, that's a 1 hour. It's a, guidance, not a gyan nahi hai. We don't believe in giving gyan to anybody. We believe actual results where people have a guidance where they can take the steps. So that is the package. With this, you will be getting bonuses also. The bonus will be, as today you'll experience the ritual, which, Purnima, again, it's a high vibration energy. So when, see, we are carrying lot of trauma, generational thing in our body and everything, the more we get aligned to think and release our blockage, it help us to grow. Then our chakra has to be aligned whatever we are attracting. So you will get 1 month distance healing, aura scanning, and obviously limited lifetime access to the community. Now we all have different services, right? So based on your need, if you think, okay, मुझे ये session चाहिए आपका, उसमें आपको 10% discount मिलेगा. So this is the overall package you will be getting in this 1 year membership program, where you will have access to myself and Vasudha together. Because when, as I said, energy and science, when both work together, you get faster. कि मुझे अभी इस month क्या करना चाहिए, और बीच में भी आपको गाइडेंस लगेगा तो वो मिलेगा. तो इज दिस एक्साइटिंग फॉर यू? जस्ट टाइप इन एस. If this will help you, just type it. Forget about the cost and everything. Do you think अगर मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ टूल होगा तो मुझे मंथली सोच, I had lot of gym trainers as my personal trainer because I don't want to go gym and waste my time कि मुझे आज क्या एक्सरसाइज करना नहीं करना. वो आता है एक्सरसाइज कराता है and I'm done. मुझे फिर उस बारे में सोचना नहीं है. So it's kind of your mental gym what you are going to pay as a membership. So think about it. If this excites you, just type in S in the comment. And then I will hand it over to Vasudha for the rituals. Question answer.
And sometimes it's like you just need that external push and external guidance.
Yeah, Vasudha. Anyway, you can take it over now and just see if people have typed yes, no, whatever the chat. Let me see. Yes. Okay, that's great. Thank you for sharing. We will share the
Yes.
details more. Let's go do
Yeah,
the
I was just
ritual.
sharing that we all need each other's support. We need support from external forces. We need that third eye, the bird's eye view, who can actually see the reality of my life, guide me, and so much. Like Janvi has been there for a very long time for our healings, and it's been an amazing journey with so many of you. So we just want to create this safe space for you, the sacred space where you can come talk to us anything. क्योंकि हम बाहर बोलते नहीं हैं, हमें लगता है people will judge us, वो हमको नहीं समझते. So this is that sacred space that we want to create where every month 1 hour we are just going to be listeners and we are just going to give you guidance. So this is very, very close to us and this is what we want to do for all of you present here. So let's go ahead and do the rituals. Now you already know through Wheel of Life कि मुझे किस एरिया पे काम करना है. Now why are we using bay leaf? We are using bay leaf because bay leaf has so much power that it can help us to release the fear instantly. It can help us to release the stress instantly. And it can also help us to manifest the best of our desires. And it's been an amazing journey. Like there have been feedbacks in the 88 portal. One of the participants, she had wished some urgent amount and she got it within 24 hours. She got that amount. I had shared that particular feedback in the group as well. So let's go ahead and we are going to do the ritual in two parts. First part में we are going to release everything. ऐसा वो pattern which is not allowing me to go ahead. I have Avneet who keeps telling me मैम मैं क्या करूँ, मैं यहाँ फंस गई हूँ, मैं वहाँ फंस गई हूँ. तो अभी हम ये सारी चीजें रिलीज करने वाले हैं. वही चीजें जो मेरे हित में ही नहीं है, जो मेरे पैटर्न को सपोर्ट ही नहीं करती है, जो मुझे ग्रो करने में अलाउ ही नहीं करती है, ये सारे ही पैटर्न्स मुझे एक एक करके बेलीफ पे लिखना है विद ब्लैक इंक पेन. दिया जलाना है आपने या आप कैंडल यूज कर सकते हो. In case if you don't have belief handy, I will wait for 2 minutes. Please go ahead and get it. आप सब belief, black ink pen, green ink pen और एक दिया लेकर आइए. We are going to start burning all the beliefs for our manifestation and for our release. And you will see beautiful energies because ऐसा 12-12 पोर्टल हम बोल रहे कि आज है ना, but the portal actually opened last night itself. So get bay leaf, light a diya, get a candle, and let's start releasing all our fears, everything which is not worth us.
मैम बेल लीफ
जितनी भी
बोले
आपको मन में डर है, गिल्ट,
ऐसा साफ मतलब
कोई
होना
बात
चाहिए
नहीं.
लाइक
डोंट
टूटा है
वरी, योर फेथ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
नीचे नहीं
Which
कोई नहीं,
which ink
अब
pen,
जैसे
ma'am?
है आपके पास होल का फेथ ज्यादा जरूरी है. We need black ink pen and we also need green ink.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. We need black as well as green. We are going to use black ink pen to release our fears, our guilt, our limiting beliefs, our limiting patterns, and we will be using green ink for manifestation. Whatever we want to manifest. Once everyone is ready, we will start the ritual.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is everybody off camera? आ जाइए कैमरा पर. Whoever can come on the camera, please come on the camera. So bay leaf में ना दो parts होते हैं. We have a hard part at the back and the front part is the smoother one. तो ये जो smooth वाला part है ना, इसमें लिखना है हमने. We have to use this part for writing. So now बचपन से ही I don't know somehow मैं ना बहुत जल्दी गिल्ट ले लेती थी. अभी तो फिर भी वो बहुत इम्प्रूव हो गया है मुझ में. But I used to feel guilty of not giving enough time to my family, not giving enough time to my daughter. ये सब बहुत सारा गिल्ट अननोइंगली मेरे मन में ही बहुत भरा हुआ था. I worked on myself in this journey. तो अगर हमको गिल्ट गिव अवे करना है, just write one word guilt. You will only write guilt. अब मैंने इस पे लिख दिया है गिल्ट. ब्लैक पेन से मैंने लिख दिया है गिल्ट. This is something I want to give away completely. I don't want to have any kind of guilt within me. एक और बेलीफ मैंने लिया है. सो जितने फियर्स है उतने बेलीफ ले सकते हैं, कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है. So the second belief, I'm going to write fear of money because this is something that I have जहाँ मुझे अभी तो काफी सुधार आया है उसमें. बट हमेशा मुझे लगता था कि मेरे पास उतना पैसा नहीं है. अभी तो फिर भी आई हैव स्टार्टेड सरेंडरिंग माई सेल्फ टू द यूनिवर्स, टू द डिवाइन, एंड इट्स बिन एन अमेजिंग जर्नी. तो अगर आपको भी लगता है दैट देयर इज फियर ऑफ मनी, फियर ऑफ वाटर, फियर ऑफ हाइट जिसको वर्टिगो की तकलीफ है, फियर ऑफ गिविंग जिसको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं दूसरों की मदद करूं तो मेरा बुरा होने वाला है, वी हैव ऑल दीज टाइप ऑफ फियर्स. ये सारे फियर आपने लिखनी है. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट फियर और सामने यू कैन राइट स्पेसिफिक कौन सा फियर हमने आज रिलीज करना है. सो फियर ऑफ मनी, फियर ऑफ डेथ, fear of life, fear of being good, whatever fear you have. If you want to release weight, कई बार हमारा weight gain so happens because unknowingly बहुत emotions हम हमारे body में ले लेते हैं. अब body is just like pressure cooker. वो उतनी ही इमोशंस मैनेज कर सकता है जितनी की उसकी कैपेसिटी है. जब नहीं होगी कैपेसिटी तो वो डिजीज के फॉर्म में बाहर आती है. तो ये सारा रिलीज करना है हमने. वी हैव टू रिलीज द टॉक्सिन्स, रिलीज द एक्स्ट्रा इमोशनल बैगेज दैट यू आर कैरिंग, रिलीज द एक्स्ट्रा वेट दैट यू आर कैरिंग कि इसने मुझे बोला, उसने मुझे बोला, इसने वो किया, उसने वो किया. ये सारी ही बातों को हमने रिलीज कर देना. सो यू विल राइट रिलीज. अगर हमको अभी हमने वेट रिलीज करना है, इमोशनल वेट, सो यू विल राइट रिलीज वेट. Release all that emotional weight. Release all your old patterns. ऐसे patterns जो मेरे काम के ही नहीं है. It is not helping me to become that crorepati or become that person which I always wanted to be. It's not about money, but I want to become a successful person. And these are the patterns which are not allowing me to be that successful person which we have imagined for ourselves. ये सारी ही बातों को हमने रिलीज कर देना है. सो अगर यू हैव फिनिश्ड राइटिंग ऑल योर फियर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, नाउ यू विल स्टार्ट बर्निंग द बे लीफ वन बाय वन. और जब ये बे लीफ जल रहा है, जितनी ज्यादा आवाज आएगी उतनी ज्यादा नेगेटिविटी कम होगी, उतनी ज्यादा हमारा ऑरा क्लीन होगा, और उतनी ही जल्दी हम ये फियर से बाहर निकल सकते हैं। जो एक्टिविटी हमने अभी करी है, ये आप चाहो तो हर दिन कर सकते हो, नहीं तो अमावस्या में करनी है रिलीज एक्टिविटीज,
हर दिन कर
और
सकते हैं मैम ये?
पूर्णिमा में करनी है। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और पूर्णिमा में करनी
जैसे
है
40।
मैनिफेस्टेशन वाली एक्टिविटी।
बट
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
ठीक है, जैसे 43।
तो अभी हम एक एक करके इसको हाँ,
Shall I burn, ma'am? Shall I burn, ma'am?
yes, yes, you can start burning. Whoever has finished writing, start burning.
Okay.
आप कुछ बोल रही थी शिनोय जी, आपका सुनाई नहीं दिया आवाज। और जब ये बर्न हो रहा है, यू विल विजुअलाइज कि ये सारी चीजें जो मैंने लिखी है ना, इट्स बर्निंग फ्रॉम माई लाइफ, आई एम रिमूविंग देम आउट ऑफ माई लाइफ।
मैम ये तो जलते जलते जैसे आधा रुक गया तो फिर से बंद करूं?
अगर चलते चलते रुक गया है मतलब डीप रूटेड पैटर्न है, फिर से बर्न करो।
क्या पैटर्न है?
अगर अगर जलते चलते रुक गया है तो डीप रूटेड इशू है।
अच्छा। ओके।
डीप रूटेड, योर इशू इज डीप रूटेड। फिर से चला सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके।
And don't speak when you're burning. Just visualize everything going out of your life.
बट मैम ये वाकई बार बार हो रहा है।
No problem. Burn it again and again. Maybe that is a lesson you have to learn. You have to give time for release also. और शायद आप
अगेन
उतना टाइम नहीं दे रहे हो।
इट वाज रिलीज वाला 3 बार हो गया, कान भी। ओके, गॉट इट।
And eat bay leaf. Just hold in your hand if you're finished. And just repeat the affirmation after me. I release all my blocks, all my patterns, all the struggle which are not allowing me to move ahead. On the auspicious 12/12 portal, I release all the toxins from my body to help me release the emotional baggage. I release all those astrology doshas. I am free. I am aligned. And burn this. ऐसे बहुत बार होता है ना, पीपल टेल यू ये दोष है, वो दोष है, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम है, उसलिए प्रॉब्लम है। ये सारे इनहिबिशंस, जरूर प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, बट दैट डजंट डिसाइड योर लाइफ। आपकी डेस्टिनी, आपका लाइफ आप खुद डिसाइड करते हो। तो आपने ये चीजों पे विश्वास करना है, बट एज अ गाइडेंस, उसको सच मानकर अपनी जिंदगी में डिप्रेशन नहीं लाना। Now we are going to take beliefs for manifestation. What do you want to manifest? क्या manifest करना चाहते हो सब?
घर, नया घर।
नया घर, ओके। सो यू विल राइट हाउस, उसके सामने ड्रॉ करना है इंफिनिटी सिंबल, और नीचे अपना नाम लिखना है। सो इवन आई वॉन्ट टू मैनिफेस्ट अ न्यू हाउस फॉर माई सेल्फ, तो मैं एक दिखा देती हूँ आपको। अभी हम ग्रीन इंक यूज करेंगे, वी विल यूज ग्रीन इंक क्योंकि ये चीजें हम हमारी लाइफ में इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं।
Even me, ma'am.
तो इवन आई वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट अ न्यू हाउस, तो सबने ऐसे लिखना है, हाउस, इंफिनिटी
Hmm.
सिंबल एंड वसुधा, अपना नाम।
Okay, okay. First house, बाजू में infinity symbol.
या फर्स्ट यू विल राइट हाउस,
Hmm.
बाजू में इंफिनिटी सिंबल, and then you will write your name.
Same diya we can burn, ma'am, now.
Same दिया, yes, yes, same दिया।
Okay.
पहले आप सारी विशेस लिख लीजिए। Then I want to manifest more money. So I will write money, infinity symbol, and Vasudha. जिसको जॉब मैनिफेस्ट करना है वो लिखेंगे जॉब, अपना नाम एंड इंफिनिटी सिंबल। जिसको बहुत सारा अनलिमिटेड वेल्थ, बस आप चाहते हो कि सारी डिवाइन
Ma'am,
सारी डिवाइन अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमको आती रहे, तो हमने लिखना है मनी। हाँ,
ma'am,
मनी सिंबल है मैम,
यस,
मनी सिंबल है।
हाँ मनी, यस, मनी सिंबल में ये ड्रॉ करिए, मनी, इंफिनिटी, और 2 कोड लिखना है, 520 स्पेस देके 741 फॉर मनी। 520 will give you urgent money and 741 will give you unlimited possibilities.
ma'am. Vasudha, ma'am.
Yes,
5 to
Shall I write the new name Arnika?
yes,
बिजनेस का नेम लिखना क्या?
you can write Artika. हाँ, बिजनेस का नेम लिखना है if you want clients.
क्या बिजनेस का नेम एंड क्लाइंट्स?
Yeah, business का name, clients and the name of the business.
कंफ्यूज हो गया ना। अर्निका, ओनली अर्निका
और
इनफ।
yeah, only Arnika enough.
बाजू में
And
इंफिनिटी सिंबल,
yeah, infinity symbol.
डाउन में मेनका और क्या बिजनेस क्लाइंट्स।
Yes. जिसको हेल्थ मैनिफेस्ट करना है वो लिखेंगे हील, ग्रीन कलर के पेन से लिखेंगे हील। सो जैसे मुझे मेरी नी पेन से रिलीफ चाहिए, फिलहाल मुझे 2 दिन से नी पेन हो रहा है, तो मैं लिखूंगी हील वसुधा फ्रॉम नी पेन। तो ऐसे लिखना है, हील योर नेम फ्रॉम व्हाट डिजीज, वो लिखना है
एक ही
आपने।
विश मैम, एक ही विश कर सकते हैं मैम आज।
नहीं, जितनी चाहिए उतने लिख सकते हो।
520 है नंबर।
520 स्पेस 741।
मैम हेल्थ हील मेनका इंफिनिटी सिंबल।
Yeah, heal Menaka, infinity symbol, and write the name of the disease.
हाँ, ओके।
लाउंग पराठा।
You can also write heal for relationship. You can write heal my relationship. Suppose if I want to heal relationship with clients, so I will write heal relationship with clients and the name of business. If you want to heal personal relationship, just write heal Menaka personal relationship, heal Usha personal relationship, heal Avneet personal relationship. If you want to manifest your partner, if somebody wants to manifest your partner, so you will write attract. You will use the keyword attract. Whenever you want to attract the right life partner for business, right partner for your work, any kind of partner, you will write attract.
मैम रिलेशनशिप हील मेनका इन्फिनिटी सिंबल रिलेशनशिप का नाम
हाँ, और लिखना है पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, बिजनेस
हम्म,
रिलेशनशिप, कौन
या
सा
या
रिलेशनशिप हील करना है. So I'm also writing for my daughter, heal Prutha.
But one two children's name in one page is enough, ma'am.
Yeah, you can write.
मैम माय सन इज गोइंग टू दिल्ली अभी 15 तारीख को.
Okay.
इसरो के साइंटिस्ट वगैरह आए थे और उसका सिलेक्शन हुआ है. और अब अगर
Wow.
दिल्ली में अच्छा हुआ प्रोजेक्ट तो दे विल गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो टू लंदन.
Wow, that's amazing.
तो मुझे क्या लिखूं, लाइक उनका साइंस का प्रोजेक्ट है.
So you can write manifest, project, and the name of your son.
Ma'am,
जो भी चीज मैनिफेस्ट करनी है, मैनिफेस्ट कीवर्ड यूज कर सकते हो अगर स्पेसिफिकली कुछ मैनिफेस्ट करना है. So
ma'am,
if you
for
want to
business
manifest
partner
specifically,
attract. Okay. Ma'am, stucking
sorry,
your voice.
yeah,
For business partner attract.
attract right business partner.
Okay, उसका नाम भी लिखना.
नाम अगर पता है तो लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो सिर्फ लिखो अट्रैक्ट राइट बिजनेस पार्टनर एंड
Okay.
इन्फिनिटी. अगर सबने लिख लिया है, मैनिफेस्ट कर दिया है, for relationship you can write what kind of relationship, Atiraj? If you can give me an idea, I can tell you better. For healing relationship, use the keyword heal. For attracting life partner, use the keyword attract. For manifesting life partner, you can use manifest.
मैम मैं इससे पकड़ लूं बिकॉज मेरा तो बिलीफ जितना भी अभी किया रिलीज वाला मतलब ब्लैक पेन से लिखा था 4 5 6 टाइम्स मेरे को बर्न करना पड़ा.
No problem. Sometimes पैटर्न जल्दी रिलीज नहीं होता है, टाइम लगता है. कर लो. You can use the tongue, no problem.
Finish.
मैनिफेस्ट वाला भी.
See, you're putting that energy, Avneet.
सॉरी
तुम पहले से ही वो एनर्जी डाल रही हो, है ना. एक बेलीफ हम रखेंगे लास्ट में प्लेन, एंड वी विल से द अफर्मेशन. और ये वाला जो बेलीफ है ये आप अपने वॉलेट में रखोगे. द लास्ट
Okay.
बेलीफ will help you to attract everything you want. We will energize it with the affirmation. जानवी, जॉब मिल गया आपको? So आप जॉब के लिए लिखिए manifest job with salary, whatever you're wishing.
Will do.
Yeah. And I'll give you a wallpaper. Did I give you a sigil which helps in job?
Bird which I have put it.
I'll give you a wallpaper. Just remind me on personal chat.
Start
It
burning.
helped me. It helped a lot of people.
Start burning now.
Yeah, start burning.
इट इज ट्रू मैम. रिलीज करते समय आवाज आई थी, मैनिफेस्टेशन करते समय आवाज नहीं आई
Yes.
थी. आई नोटिस दैट.
Yes. रिलीज करते समय आवाज आती है क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी से वो पूरा रिलीज होता है. और जब मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सो मे बी यू आर विशिंग विथ होल हार्ट, विथ प्योर सोल, आपको वो विश जरूर मिलेगी. So I have burned all my bay leaves. जितना ज्यादा फ्लेम हाई आता है उतनी ज्यादा एनर्जी हमको मिली है यूनिवर्स से। अगर लो फ्लेम है तो हमको उस एरिया में ज्यादा काम करना है। वी आर येट टू अचीव इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया। तो ऑब्जर्व करना है फ्लेम को। बहुत हाई हाई फ्लेम्स है तो उतनी ज्यादा हाई एनर्जी उस पर्टिकुलर विश को हमें मिली है। हाउ वाज इट? हाउ डिड यू एक्सपीरियंस रिलीज करते समय? कैसे लगा?
थोड़ा हल्का लग रहा है, स्पेशली जो मेरे को एक
बे
फियर
लीफ
पैटर्न बन
डालते
रहा
वक्त
है।
मैम,
अभी एक बे लीफ लास्ट हम छोटा सा एक लेंगे। वी आर गोइंग टू चैंट एन my favorite affirmation. What I seek is seeking me. It is already done. What I seek is seeking me. It is already done. अब ये वाला जो बिलीफ है इसको पूरा बर्न नहीं करना है। थोड़ा सा बर्न करके इसको बुझा देना है। बस इतना सा ही बर्न करना है। और ये हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगा इन योर वॉलेट, इन योर हैंडबैग, वेर because we
मैम
have
एज
put
ए
a
ब्लेसिंग।
affirmation। क्या
मैम
affirmation डाला है हमने? What I seek is seeking me। जो भी मैं चाह रही हूँ वो भी मुझे वही चाह रहा है। And
व्हाट
it is
मैम
already done। My wishes already manifested। What I seek is seeking me। It is
व्हाट
already done। I will
व्हाट आई
repeat that
सी
again।
सी
It's seeking me।
सीकिंग मी। ओके,
It is already done।
इट इज ऑलरेडी डन। ओके,
And just burn the tip, only tip of the bay leaf, and keep it in your wallet with you always and always.
ओनली टिप एनफ मैम।
Yes, only tip, yes.
ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू कीप ऑन माय वॉलेट।
Yeah, keep it in your wallet. My wallet is far away, so for now I'll keep it in my book. Whenever you go for important work, important exhibitions, meetings, interviews, carry this bay leaf with you. This will help you to activate your luck factor. It will help you to make things in your favor. और हमेशा आप ये बिलीव को कीप एनर्जाइजिंग इट। ये जो अफर्मेशन है, कीप सेइंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन, once in a month, once in a week. The meaning of this affirmation is whatever I have been trying to manifest is already written in my destiny. That is what it means. What I seek is seeking me. I want to become the best occult practitioner, and it is already done. It's already destined. It's already written in my destiny that I'm going to be that person. It is one of my favorite affirmations. I always and always say this. And my second favorite affirmation is everything always works in my favor. The more and more you say this, you're generating a positive aura around you. You're generating positive luck factor around you. You don't have to put in this energy कि नहीं बर्न हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं हो रहा है। ये बोलना ही नहीं है हमने, है ना। 12 पोर्टल्स चल रहा है, और उस रिचुअल में अगर मैं डीले वाली वर्ड्स यूज कर रही हूँ तो ये डीले मैं ही अट्रैक्ट कर रही हूँ ना अननोइंगली, और बाद में व्हाट वी फील कि मेरे साथ कुछ भी हुआ नहीं. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल ऑन व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स वी आर चूजिंग. बी very very careful. Now, all this belief that you have burned, you will blow the ashes in the universe. You will tell the universe that now I am aligned with my vision, with my mission, with my wishes. I am surrendering everything to you. और ये आपने अभी ही करना है, रात को ही ब्लो ऑफ कर देना है, विंडो से ब्लो ऑफ कर दो. If you can't blow off, then bury it in your plant. Bury it in the plant if you have plant at home. If you think there is no window, I can't blow it off, then bury it in the soil. How was it? How was the experience? Feeling better? Feeling the release from the body?
Yes, ma'am. Today I'm very sleepy when I burned almond.
What happened? You worked very hard today.
No, nothing. For chill, no, ma'am. ठंडी ज्यादा ठंडी है ना, काम करने को नहीं होता.
Yes.
I can't handle the chili, ma'am.
Right, right. I like winters. I mostly, yeah,
I
I love
can't.
winters. How was your experience, Amreen ji? Guys, I'm seeing you for the first time in the session. Amreen,
So Dr. Amreen Atre are my
Dr.
clients already.
Okay,
You know,
okay,
they have
okay,
joined.
great. Yes, Neelam ji, how was your experience?
As always, it's very, very, very good.
Thank you.
Feeling very positive, ma'am. Thank you, thank you.
Welcome, welcome. What is your name? I see the name as Ramnath.
Veena Bhatt.
Okay. Oh, hi, Veena. So good to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for joining, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
मैम आई डोंट नो, आई एम फीलिंग लाइक ऐसा लग रहा है अभी जैसे आसपास कोई एक एंजल घूम रही है, इज आस्किंग परमिशन, मतलब मुझे आने दो. एकदम अभी ये करते करते लाइक आई एम फीलिंग समथिंग.
Allow the feelings to come. Don't resist.
ऐसा
Just
मतलब
be
ऐसा 555 समथिंग 777 नंबर्स मेरे एकदम सामने में घूम रहे हैं. एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है लाइक कुछ समथिंग एक प्यारा टाइप होता है ना, तो ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहा है लाइक 777 555 777 555. ऐसे घूम रहा है एंड समथिंग से कि दैट अलाउ लाइक यू नो
triple
माय
five
हिस्ट्री.
is also
सो
for communication, right? So you
या
need to keep an eye on your communication. If you have
And
not
I
done proper closing, if you have hurt somebody but you've not closed it properly, in case if there's any communication that is left halfway, you need to complete that.
that's why I don't know why I feel sometimes very heaviness in my heart.
Yes, because this is one mistake that all of us do. In case if I don't like you, suppose I will stop talking to you without even informing you and telling you that what happened, what went wrong. There is no closure to that particular problem. And whenever there is no closure, all that heaviness gets accumulated in our body.
And like 777, I see each and every single day.
Yeah. 777 also means that you need to take care. You need some me time a lot, Avneet. Because 777 is also about relationship with self. It's about wisdom. It's about the good fortune as well, but it's more about inner wisdom. तो आपको आपकी inner alignment पे काम करना है whenever you see 777 around you.
Mhm.
Do you want us to take a session on angel numbers and the meaning?
Yeah, I want.
Okay, we'll plan
I want.
something on that. And how are the monthly magic membership? So monthly magic membership is about this only. हम वहाँ पे आधा घंटा 1 घंटा जो भी है बात करके we are going to decode about all of this कि कैसी है जर्नी कैसी रहेगी आगे क्या करना है. And it's a special package that we worked out. I mean, you would not imagine when we will tell you the price of it that we decided because we really want to help people and the price of it is going to be super super low. It's not going to be very heavy on pockets, and you can just say it is a price that's something you pay for one pizza every month. उसे बस इतना ही इन्वेस्ट करना है खुद के डेवलपमेंट के लिए खुद की रेमेडीज के लिए खुद पे काम करने के लिए. You need this for your alignment. You need someone, some hand holding, and we are ready to give that hand holding. So over to you, Usha. Thank you so much. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Please drop in the feedbacks in the WhatsApp group, and we will surely conduct more and more free sessions going forward in the new year, and we will have paid sessions as well. Yes, Usha.
Thank you, Vasudha, for
And
beautiful ritual. I think you can see the result. People are seeing angel numbers and even feeling a lot of things. Even I felt personally a release, so I feel very light. So thank you for this ritual. Now let's move to next section. So we have done this. So are you ready to know so this offer is going to be for today. Let's say, as Vasudha rightly says, pizza will also not cost you that much, is what it is, because you have taken session with me and Vasudha personally. Our charges are very different what we are offering here because two of us are working for one person here, right? So today we are giving you for 12 Magic Portal 50% off. It is going to be 12,000 for an year and all those bonuses and everything you will get. So if you're ready and grab this opportunity, this is a QR code you can see. You can just make the payment there. जो भी question answer है, we will take it.
Yes, whatever questions you have. So 12,000 is roughly like 1,000 a month. And itna to like this guidance is not going to be only for your career. You will have guidance for health, for wealth, for relationship, for business, for job, every area of your life. And we will exactly guide you on what are certain things, certain red flags. This month you need to take extra care. वो भी हम बताएंगे.
So this is the tool kind of,
Whoever wants to book this.
Who? You're saying something?
If you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and ask about anything about the package, about yourself. Please feel free to go ahead and ask any questions. We will also share this in the group.
Okay, so this I think Vasudha will share in the group the QR code again. You can make the payment. So this offer, as we said, is going to be for today, special offer. So grab it, and we would love to be, that facilitator or guider in your life to help you grow, whether it's your career, finance, because I see today a lot of people share they are stuck with career or relationship. The reason is main the fear, the self-worth is what is. With this, I will even share few links with Vasudha, which it will give you an assessment of your self-worth. How do you see in yourself in a relationship? And what is actually your brain is thinking. So that report I will be sharing as a bonus. I just, after hearing all of you, I thought, feel like giving you. It was not planned. So today I'm adding that also as one of the bonus for you, where you can know exactly why you see yourself low and how you can start increasing your self-worth to build a relationship, to build your house or anything. So before we end the session, now revive the ritual energy. So Vasudha, do you want to do Ho'oponopo before we close?
Yes. So before we close for today, we are going to do 21 chantings of Ho'oponopono. Because now we have been through the process जब से session शुरू हुआ है and see the timing, it's angel timing, it's double to 2. So we are starting our reviving ritual at the angel timing, and which is why we wanted to have this time for the session ताकि हम angel timing पे खुद को revive कर सकें. So everybody just sit down, close your eyes, and we will be chanting beautiful Ho'oponopono for 21 times. And in case if you don't know what is Ho'oponopono, then let me tell you, Ho'oponopono is an ancient ritual. It's an ancient prayer, which is from Hawaiian. It's a Hawaiian technique for forgiveness. It's a Hawaiian technique that helps us to take complete responsibility for our life. It is a technique that helps us to cleanse our deepest memories, dissolve our emotional blockages, restore the harmony. And we are coming up with the Ho'oponopono Healer Level Certification course, which is going to start from Monday on. So in case if you're interested, you can also enroll for that. Now we will do the recitations. You just have to close your eyes with spine erect. And when I chant Ho'oponopono, you will simply feel that all these blockages are resolving and take complete responsibility of life. So you will say that I am accountable for my life. I am responsible for everything that is happening knowingly or unknowingly. And let's start the recitation. Everybody just keep your eyes closed. Let's start with 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply and deep exhale through your mouth. One more time, inhale deep. Deep exhale through your mouth. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you.
I think there is a network issue. So last 2 times. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. last time. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you all for joining today's session. Please share your experience, how it was. And next session we will be doing on vision board. If you are interested, then Vasudha will share the details. As now we have started, no, today we saw Wheel of Life, which area we need to work. Now, what are the 3 steps today you want to take for that area? At least write it and start taking it. Whatever manifestation तो आप फॉर्म एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके वर्ड्स हम क्या एक्शन लेने वाले हैं? Write 3 steps and start doing it from today. If it's a relationship, what will give you a hold on your relationship? Is it increasing your self-worth or just taking care of yourself? Or if it is career, then मुझे किस चीज पे काम करना है? What is stopping me? Let me just face it and go for it. So take 3 actions as a takeaway today from your wheel of life for that particular area where you want to see growth. It's career, relationship, finance, जो भी area है. So next session we will meet
I'm
on
sorry, I got
vision board
disconnected.
पे हम मिलेंगे. Yes, Vasudha, you're back now, so we can take Q&A.
Yes, I'm so sorry. Yes, we can take Q&A, and I'm sorry I got disconnected, but I hope all of you felt.
So before we close it, anything you want to share, you can go ahead and share, or any question about monthly magic. If you want to ask, you can ask. How are you feeling, Navneet, now? You feel little calmer?
Yes, ma'am. मतलब I can smile. मैं थोड़ा सा बीच में डर गई थी, but अब बहुत better लग रहा है.
Angel is a good energy only. They are protecting you in a way because sometimes they
I felt like something green color की एक angel मुझे बहुत पहले दिखती थी, आज से 3 साल पहले. And वो आई ऐसा लग रहा है यहाँ हल्का सा kiss करके गई. मतलब मैं open में like feel किया है मैंने.
Very good. So something action, what you're thinking about it, it's telling go ahead. And as Vasudha said, we started on angel number also, no? So you are maybe your protected angel, कर लो जो सोच रही है अब. चाहे फिर करियर हो, फिनांस हो, स्टेप हाउस बनाओ. हम आना चाहते हैं हाउस वार्मिंग. ठीक है. एनीथिंग मेनका, डॉक्टर अमरीन, रमनाथ, नीलम, प्राची, आते रहे, सना, डू यू लाइक टू शेयर बिफोर वी क्लोज?
Nice session, ma'am.
Thank you, Menaka.
It was a lovely session.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
for this beautiful session. Thank you.
Thank you. So Vasudha will share, link where you can share the.
Ma'am, I want to join अगर vision board का plan है, then of course I'm
तो
in for
मैं
that.
वसुधा को बता दूंगी. नेक्स्ट वी विल प्लान विजन बोर्ड बिफोर, आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वीक तक कर लेंगे, बिकॉज वहां पे वी विल वर्क ऑन आवर वैल्यू सिस्टम एंड रिलेटिव बिलीव्स दैट, बिकॉज विजन बोर्ड, लेट मी कवर इन विजन बोर्ड ओनली बिकॉज वी आर क्लोजिंग दैट एंड. सो डेफिनेटली वी विल सेंड द इनवाइट. ठीक है. So she will share 2 links. One will go to, one feedback will come for me and one for her. So try to give feedback to both of us. And it was lovely being here in this space with you all doing this ritual of, 12 portal. So we all are waiting and getting the clarity and moving to new beginnings where we have more emotionally content. All the best to all of you. See you on. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you for joining, Atire, Dr. Ramin. See you soon. Bye bye. क्या खत्म हो गया ना